Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the most exciting machines shaping the future of two wheels. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a motorcycle built to redefine adventure riding with a perfect balance of power, technology, and off-road capability. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L carries a rugged and aggressive design inspired by Honda's rally heritage. Sharp body panels, a tall stance, and a lightweight frame give it a purposeful adventure look. The high ground clearance, slim fuel tank, and wide handlebars are designed to offer maximum control on trails while still feeling confident on highways. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a newly refined 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This motor is tuned for strong low-end torque and smooth mid-range power, making it ideal for long-distance touring and technical off-road riding. Honda's advanced fuel injection and engine mapping ensure reliable performance, improved fuel efficiency, and smoother throttle response in all conditions. The 2026 CRF 750L features a lightweight steel frame paired with long travel front and rear suspension. Fully adjustable suspension settings allow riders to adapt the bike for rocky trails, sandy terrain, or smooth tarmac. The combination of a stable chassis and high-quality suspension delivers confidence, comfort, and precise handling on every surface. Honda equips the CRF 750L with modern rider-focused technology. A full-color TFT display provides riding data, navigation support, and riding mode selection. Multiple riding modes, switchable traction control, cornering ABS, and ride-by-wire throttle enhance safety while allowing the rider to customize performance based on terrain and riding style. Designed for endurance, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L offers an upright riding position, a well-padded seat, and excellent wind protection. The fuel tank is optimized for long-range travel, reducing the need for frequent stops. Whether crossing deserts or cruising highways, comfort remains a key strength of this adventure machine. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L stands as a powerful, versatile, and technology-rich adventure motorcycle. It blends Honda's legendary reliability with modern innovation, making it a strong choice for riders seeking true all-terrain capability. For more exciting motorcycle content, stay tuned to Bike Shift.